Yo, we are in Canggu today. As you can see, the vibes. And Sayang have already nachos, some snack. That's how it looks like.
I just see that mostly the people who come here is locals. So seems like this place nowadays, like many locals coming, but long time ago was village.
Yeah, seems like only locals here nowadays. All right, next to the next to Deus is some construction of some park, theme park, like a bungee jump or big swing jump construction like this. There you say some capsules, so preparation for the boom of the tourists, what's gonna come probably soon. That was a little bit sarcasm, but yeah, some people for sure will come, so the business is it's gonna be all right. Maybe, hopefully. Will you come back to Canggu, guys? Comment below. There is the police tent camp waiting for checkpoints. So if you come, just make sure you wear your mask.
All right, so this is the famous central parking Canggu. When last time we saw the police officers here, and behind me the police camp. But when we were sitting in Deus, we saw that police already going around, and then from there and checking and everything. So yeah, now let's have a coffee. We will stroll around Canggu and see that how is Canggu housings, villas and everything.
Meanwhile, this is like a Canggu center, city center. Actually, I'm not sure if officially Canggu is city. I think it's village, but not that busy. Here is the parking.
All right, so now we are going to the small, what is it called? Small road. That is famous for, oh, this is a brand new restaurant.
Many new constructions around, even fancy ones.
So yeah, in this area of Canggu, famous for the vegan restaurant. You see on the left, on the right, that's vegan restaurant.
All is vegan here.
Yeah.
Shady baraka, stuff like this.
Yeah.
And there are still some people even around, and so much development. Not so long ago here was just the rice field, by the way. But yeah, you can see the swing also over there, what I said. So it's changing. Canggu is the most developing a lot here, I mean.
Yeah, let's say that 5 years ago, okay, 10 years ago, it was just like rice paddies with the housing, local housing complex. But now, you see, everywhere is just like
this.
warungs, restaurant.
All right, so we arrived. We're gonna have a coffee somewhere in this one of these new cafes, and actually everything here around is literally brand new, no older than 2015. In 2015, I think was nothing here, if I'm not mistaken. However, you can correct me if I'm wrong. And all of this nice places around this building is slightly new. Even the one restaurant here is open just last week or 2 weeks ago, yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
So it's basically everything new here, but it's nice. I will show you at the front point of view. These buildings actually are nice, modern. Many places are also closed, probably because of current situation. And yeah, that's how it looks like around Dogo.
So we decided just to have a coffee, and then wow, this is I think the same bread basket in Sanur. Let's see how it is a bread basket in Canggu. Wow, hello. So yeah, they have a promo for coffee already included with this one. Oh, look at the bread. Looks so good. So nice. And I will just take you to stroll around the restaurant. I really like the, what is it called? The interior design, like furniture, and also how they setting the, what is it called, inside the restaurant. It's totally different with That's what the one in Sanur, you know, like they put bread. This is the real bread? Oh, wow. They put the real bread here in a basket, so very nice. And they also, what is it? Look at the decoration. They put it like the roller or something, right?
Yes.
And then, yeah, the design is just like the Moroccan style. Morocco, ya, benar. The staff is very friendly. Hi! And look at you, honey. What cake do you have?
Blueberry cheesecake and cappuccino, obviously.
So yum,
Looks
yum.
nice.
And look at that, this one, the chandelier from the spoon. For you guys, if you are interested with the interior design, maybe this one you could, what is it called? Inspire you. And they put bread there. Very nice. Very nice bread. And I just want to show you how is the ambience outside. Seems like this place is very Instagrammable. You know, like in Canggu is famous for the place, Instagrammable place where people taking pictures, making pictures, and also look, this interiors also like, you know, with the Moroccan style. Let's go upstairs. I think that upstairs will be another part of the restaurant, but it's still closed. But yeah, I'll just show you slowly how it is. You see many celebgram here already making pictures, but yeah, we are not celebgram.
At the beginning of the vlog I said as I'm not the biggest fan of Canggu, which is true, but this place is nice. I have to say, nice coffee, nice cake, and also the stuff is amazing here, better than in Sanur actually. This is the first time when I say something about Sanur, this is not, but that's true. Times for improvement in Sanur also, right? Alright guys, we are in the Eco Beach right now. There is the Oldsman Summer. Unfortunately, Oldsman is totally closed and nobody knows when it will be open. Meanwhile, the situation on the parking area, there are some cars, some action around. We will see a little bit quick shot on the beach. Yes, honey?
Yeah,
We
and the
will
loud
see.
music already in the sandbar.
They have a DJ now at the front here, where is the stairs and well, beanbags. Oh, now it's the lady who's selling bracelets in Canggu. Yo, what's up? How you doing? And it's even some people are here. It's not that bad actually. Really not that bad. Nice waves, and the life looks like this. And the lady follow me. Well, thank you. Little bit of the sound of the ocean. Nice waves today, and I see also some people doing activities around. It's really not that bad, not that bad. Mostly local people in general anyway. And very interesting fact, literally over here they are local domestic people. There is only one guy, yo, what's up? And I saw two ladies somewhere and one surfer. So that's the 4 people for the old people around. So.
Alright guys, I think that's all our today's video from Canggu, Batu Golong area. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!